Welcome to the Disney Dining Guide HD version 2.0 for your iPad. This is brought to you by Laughing Place Apps and ourlaughingplace.com, where you can research all your Disney information. When you first bring up this app, especially if you've turned on your GPS, you'll see that your current location is displayed with the 10 closest restaurants to where you are right now. Your current location is marked by a blue ball, usually radiating little circles like that. Restaurants are marked by purple pins. If you tap on them, it brings up this little informative call out. You can tap that blue arrow to get a detailed view of the restaurant. It downloads the latest information, including user reviews, which you see listed here, and the OLP reviews also available, menus, pictures, and you can write your own review, which we really appreciate when people write their own reviews. Give us a rating. That's always useful for people, and title, etc. Now, if you want to see other people's reviews, simply tap on the item there, and voila, it brings up the details of the review. If you want to see pictures, click on the little photo icon, and as always in our app, you can pinch zoom, which is really convenient for looking at pictures, for instance. If you want to see the picture bigger, you can spread your fingers apart. If you want to make it smaller, you can pinch them, and you can scroll through the pictures at your leisure. It may take a second to download these because they're all coming from the internet, the latest things. Now, our latest menus, you can also look at the menu for any given restaurant. Again, that downloads from the internet, and you can do pinch zoom on this, which can be very convenient if you want to read it better or whatever. Most menus will have a date telling you when they were taken. Now, you can get back, clicking the back button. If you want to go back to the map, click on the Show Map button, and voila, you're right back to where you were before. Now, so let's say you want to do search. This is a great new feature we've added. Let's say you want to find everything in Cars Land, brand new Cars Land. You can actually search by cars, and voila, there's the restaurants in Cars Land, 2,100 miles away, you'll notice, in California. Let's see what Flo's V8 Cafe looks like. Of course, this is brand new, so nobody's written any reviews, and there's not a lot of information about it yet, but I can find out where it is on the map. So let's click Map It. Voila, you get a green pin, pops up with a little display there, and you can see the restaurants nearby and Disney's California Adventure. Now, again, pinch zoom comes in really handy here. Let's say I want to see more of the park. There you go. I can see pretty much all of Disney's California Adventure. If I only want to see full service restaurants, I tap on full here. Again, I'm going to have to pinch zoom because it will automatically zoom in and zoom out in an attempt to give you the best view possible. If I only want to see counter serve restaurants, I want something quick, there you go. Or if I just want to see everything that's near me, I can do that. Now again, you can click back to get to the beginning, cancel out of a search at any time. Let's say I want to see what all restaurants are in Hollywood Studios. So I click Hollywood Studios, voila. Again, I can do a search here. So let's say I want to see Brown Derby. So here we go, Hollywood Brown Derby. Again, I can cancel out of that. You notice these little video icon things. That means that we've done an OLP video review of that restaurant, and those can be very informative and entertaining, so you might want to watch them. Again, they will take some bandwidth, given that you may have a limit on your bandwidth. You may want to do this when you're hooked up to Wi-Fi, for instance, just to save money and because it'll work better. You also notice that there are a lot of other little informative bits here. We've got TW, that means Tables in Wonderland is taken at this restaurant. We've got DP1, that means it takes one dining plan point if you're on the Disney dining plan. Some of them also take, for instance, DVC as a discount and annual pass. You'll see that as DVC or AP. This can be very helpful when you're picking out restaurants, especially if you have those discount cards available to you. You also notice the average reviews in stars. You've got just over 4 stars, for instance, 8 user reviews so far. Serves lunch and dinner, $2 signs, moderately expensive. So you can get a lot of information from here, and it's 1.29 miles away, 50's Primetime Cafe. Now, if I want to see all the restaurants in Hollywood Studios, I can tap this map list button and voila, we get all the restaurants here in Hollywood Studios, pretty much the whole park mapped out for you. And the restaurants are sorted by their distance from your current location. So the topmost one here is 1.21 miles away from my location in Epcot. Well, that completes our demo for today. We hope you've enjoyed our little demo, and we hope you enjoy our app. Be sure to check out some of our other Laughing Place apps, our Laughing Place works, such as the Transportation Wizard, the GPS Transportation Wizard, the Resort Researcher, and also some of these are available for Android as well. Thank you very much.